Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hello, hello. I'm Olivia, and this is David.
Hi. So, Olivia, how are you today? Did you sleep well last night?
Ugh, don't even ask. I'm so tired. I didn't sleep well at all.
Oh no. Why? What happened?
My upstairs neighbor, he was so loud last night. He was playing music at midnight. Midnight, David.
Wow, that's terrible. Midnight is really late.
I know, and it wasn't quiet music, it was loud music. Boom, boom, boom. I could hear everything. The walls were shaking.
Oh no. Did you knock on his door? Did you ask him to be quiet?
No, I was too scared. I don't know him very well, and he looks, big.
You were scared? Come on.
Yes, I was. Anyway, this is perfect because today we're talking about noisy neighbors. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends. Okay, so David, do you have noisy neighbors?
Oh yes, I have a story. My downstairs neighbor has a dog. A big dog. And it barks all the time.
All the time?
All the time. Morning, afternoon, night. Woof, woof, woof. It never stops.
Oh my God, that's annoying.
Very annoying. Sometimes I can't work from home because of the noise.
Wow. Okay, so we both have noisy neighbor problems. Let's talk about this today.
So, Olivia, what kinds of noisy neighbors are there? What do they do?
Oh, there are many types. First, there's the music lover.
The music lover. Yes, that's your neighbor, right?
Exactly. This neighbor plays music very loud. Rock music, pop music, dance music, any music. And they play it at night.
That's the worst. Nighttime should be quiet time.
I agree. Then there's the party animal.
Oh no, the party animal. What do they do?
They have parties every weekend, sometimes even on weekdays. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, party, party, party. Lots of people, lots of noise, lots of laughing and shouting.
Ugh, I had a neighbor like that in college. His apartment was always full of people.
Did you complain?
I wanted to, but I was invited to the parties, so I couldn't complain.
So you were the noisy neighbor?
No, I just visited sometimes.
Sure, sure. Okay, then there's the early bird.
The early bird? What's that?
This neighbor wakes up very early, like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m., and they make noise. They vacuum the floor, they move furniture, they play music, they cook breakfast, and it's so loud.
At 5 a.m.? That's crazy. Why would you vacuum at 5 a.m.?
I don't know. Some people are just strange.
And then there's my neighbor, the pet owner.
Yes. Tell us about this.
Okay, so my neighbor has this big dog. I think it's lonely because when my neighbor leaves for work, the dog cries. It barks and cries all day long.
Oh no, poor dog.
I know. I feel bad for the dog, but also it's very loud. I work from home sometimes and I can't concentrate.
That's difficult. Did you talk to your neighbor about it?
Not yet. I'm planning to, but I don't know what to say.
We'll talk about that later. First, let me tell you about one more type, the DIY enthusiast.
DIY? What does that mean?
Do it yourself. This neighbor loves to fix things, build things, make things. They use hammers, drills, saws, bang, 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 all day long.
Oh, wow. That sounds terrible.
It is. My friend has a neighbor like this. Every weekend, he's building something. Last month, he built a bookshelf. This month, he's building a table. Next month, who knows?
Well, at least he's productive.
True, but also very noisy.
Okay, so let me tell you what happened last week with my neighbor's dog.
Oh no, what happened?
I had an important work meeting, a video call with my boss, very important. And right when the meeting started, woof, 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 the dog started barking.
Oh my God, what did you do?
I tried to ignore it. I smiled and talked to my boss, but the dog wouldn't stop. It barked for 20 minutes. My boss said, "David, is that a dog?" And I said, yes, my neighbor's dog. I'm sorry.
That's so embarrassing.
It was. I felt terrible. After the meeting, I went downstairs. I knocked on his neighbor's door, but nobody answered. He wasn't home.
So what did you do?
Nothing. I went back upstairs. I'm still trying to find the right time to talk to him.
David, you need to talk to him. You can't just suffer in silence.
I know, but it's hard. What if he gets angry? What if he's not nice?
Then you call the building manager or the police.
The police for a barking dog? That seems extreme.
Well, maybe not the police, but definitely the building manager.
You're right. I'll do that. Okay, now tell me more about your neighbor, the music lover.
Oh, don't remind me. Last night was the worst. He played music from midnight until 2 a.m., 2 in the morning.
What kind of music?
Dance music, electronic music, boom, boom, boom. The bass was so loud, my bed was shaking. I couldn't sleep at all.
That's awful. What did you do?
I put a pillow over my head. I tried to block the noise, but it didn't work. I could still hear everything.
Did you bang on the ceiling to tell him to be quiet?
Yes, I took my broom and banged on the ceiling. Bang, bang, bang. But he didn't stop. He didn't hear me, or he didn't care.
Wow, that's so rude.
I know. This morning, I was so tired. I had dark circles under my eyes. My coworker said, "Olivia, are you okay? You look terrible." And I said, "Thanks a lot."
Poor Olivia. So what's your plan? Will you talk to him?
I'm thinking about it. Maybe I'll write him a note, a polite note. I'll put it under his door.
That's a good idea. What will you say?
I'll say, "Dear neighbor, I live downstairs. Your music is very loud at night. Can you please turn it down after 10 p.m.? Thank you."
Perfect. That's polite and clear.
I hope it works. If it doesn't work, I will move.
Don't move. That's too extreme. Just talk to him first.
You're right. I will.
Okay, everyone. So we've talked about the problem. Now let's talk about solutions. What can you do if you have a noisy neighbor?
Good question. First solution? Talk to them. Be polite and friendly.
Yes, this is the best first step. Don't be angry. Don't shout. Just explain the problem calmly.
Exactly. You can say, "Hi, I'm your neighbor. I can hear noise from your apartment. Can you please be quieter?" Simple.
And most people will understand. Most people don't want to bother their neighbors.
True. But if talking doesn't work, then what?
Then you write a note, like you said earlier, a polite note explaining the problem.
Yes. And if the note doesn't work, then you talk to the building manager or landlord.
The building manager can help. They can talk to the noisy neighbor officially. It's their job.
Right. And if that doesn't work, you can call the police, but only if it's really serious.
Yes, if someone is making noise at 3 a.m. and they won't stop, you can call the police. They will come and tell them to be quiet.
But remember, this should be your last option. Try talking first.
Absolutely. And here's another tip. Soundproofing.
Soundproofing? What's that?
It's when you make your apartment quieter. You can put rugs on the floor, curtains on the windows, or special foam on the walls. It blocks the sound.
Oh, that's smart. But is it expensive?
It can be, but there are cheap options too. Rugs and curtains are not too expensive.
Good to know. And what about earplugs?
Earplugs, yes, that's a simple solution. You can wear earplugs when you sleep. They block the noise.
I tried that, but they're uncomfortable. I can't sleep with things in my ears.
Fair enough. Then maybe white noise?
White noise? What's that?
It's a soft, constant sound, like rain or ocean waves or a fan. You play it while you sleep, and it covers other noises.
Oh, I've heard of that. Some people use white noise machines.
Exactly. Or you can use an app on your phone. There are many free apps.
That's helpful. I'll try that tonight.
Okay, everyone. So let's wrap up. What did we learn today?
We learned that noisy neighbors are a big problem. Music lovers, party animals, early birds, pet owners, DIY enthusiasts, they're all annoying.
Ha ha ha. But we also learned how to deal with them. Talk to them, write a note, contact the building manager, or use soundproofing.
And don't forget, be polite. Most people don't realize they're being loud. They'll probably apologize and be quieter.
Exactly. And remember, you might be someone's noisy neighbor too, so be considerate. Keep your music down, especially at night.
Great advice. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, before we go, please subscribe to our channel, click the subscribe button, give us a like, and share this episode with your friends.
And tell us, do you have a noisy neighbor? What do they do? Leave a comment. We want to hear your stories.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
Okay, everyone. Take care, be kind to your neighbors, and sleep well.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, guy.